In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Google reviews to Framer, a powerful and user-friendly web design tool. This process involves creating a review widget, customizing the widget, and then embedding it into your Framer editor. Let's start with the first step, creating a widget. You will need to sign up or log in to an online service that allows you to create review widgets, like Sociable Kit, Shopo, or Wiser Review. These platforms offer a variety of widget layouts and designs, so choose the one you find most suitable for your website's aesthetic. Once you have signed up or logged into your chosen service, the next step is to import and customize your widget. Type in your business's Google Maps URL or location to import your Google reviews. Once you have successfully imported your reviews, you can start customizing your widget. This part is quite fun as you get to set the overall look and feel of your widget so it matches the design of your website. You can select from a variety of themes, adjust colors, and even decide on the size of your widget. After customizing your widget to your liking, the next step is to get the embed code. This code, generated by the widget service, is either in HTML or JavaScript format, depending on your preferred platform. Look for a button or link that says something like Get Embed Code or Copy Code. Click on this button or link and copy the generated code onto your clipboard. Now that you have your embed code, it's time to add your widget to your Framer editor. Within your Framer editor interface, locate the Insert option, from which you should select the Embed component, found under the Utilities section. The Embed component allows you to integrate external content into your Framer project, making it ideal for adding your review widget. After you have added an embed component, the next and most exciting step is to paste your copied embed code into Framer. Position the embed component at the part of your Framer project where you want the Google reviews to appear. Then, in the right side panel, select HTML and paste your previously copied embed code into the provided field. The final step in this tutorial is to publish your newly modified web page. This will make your Google reviews go live and appear on your website. To do this, simply click on the Publish button found in your Framer interface. And voila! You now have Google reviews appearing on your web page, giving your visitors a quick snapshot of what your clients think of your business. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to add Google reviews to Framer. It's a simple, yet very effective way of adding social proof to your website. Happy designing!